Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah and good evening. This is Dr. Muhammad Yaseen and you are watching my YouTube channel, Dr. Yaseen Infection Control. Many of you already may have watched my videos on the Facebook, but on my YouTube channel, this is my first video, especially in English. Let me tell you in the beginning that this channel is bilingual. You will watch my videos in English and also in Urdu. Obviously, being Pakistani and having many friends and family and people in Pakistan who need to know information that I'll be putting in the YouTube. So it will be in Urdu. And obviously, I have many friends who speak English only, or the Urdu is not their language. So this will be a bilingual channel. You will watch my videos in English and Urdu also. But I hope that you will like my videos, inshallah. And I will tell you in this video why I created this channel, what is infection control, what is my qualification in infection control, and then I will talk about what kind of videos you'll be watching in this channel. First of all, let me tell you what infection control is. It sounds like a very complicated thing, but it is a very simple thing. Any infectious disease or infection, obviously infection meaning the disease that is caused by the microorganisms or the germs, bacteria, viruses, fungi. So these infections, the efforts or the measures that you take to prevent infections is called infection prevention, obviously. And then the control means that once somebody gets infected, obviously you tried your best, but unfortunately somebody has an infection or infectious disease. What can we do to make sure that it doesn't get spread to other people, or they not get transmitted to the close people who are living with the patient? So this is called infection prevention and control, but generally now the term used is infection control. So this is what infection control is. Now you might have understood that this is something which is very beneficial for everyone in their daily life. And how about me? I will give you a little introduction about myself also. I started my career in infection control about 22 years ago. My first start was by getting a certificate in infection control from the UK. So I went to the United Kingdom and I came back and started infection control practice in one of the hospitals in Pakistan. After that, I did my degree, bachelor's degree, 2 years degree from one of the universities in UK, in Scotland. I also did my master's in healthcare administration from one of the American universities. And finally, I did my PhD and I finished 1 year ago from one of the South African universities. In addition to this, there's a certification that there's a certification exam in the US board. This board is called Certification Board of Infection Prevention Control. Now this is both American and Canadian board. So anybody who passes the exam from this board is certified to practice infection control anywhere in the world. So I passed that exam in 2001, many years ago, and I'm very pleased to say that Alhamdulillah I was the first one from not only Pakistan but also from the South Asian countries, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, all those. Since that I'm practicing as infection control specialist. I also worked in different countries, in Pakistan, in the UK, in one of the hospitals in London. I'm working in Saudi Arabia now in one of the hospitals in Jeddah for the last 13 years. So this is about me and infection control. Now I will tell you what kind of videos you will be watching in this channel and how you can benefit from them. I will try my best to put videos which are for general public. I know in the hospital it is very sophisticated, so don't expect me to put videos on hospital infection control. These will be very simple videos for general public, a common man in the community, starting from very simple thing of hand hygiene, how do you do your hand hygiene or how you wash your hands, to a very sophisticated procedure of how the surgeons can make sure that the wound of the patient who has surgery doesn't get infected. So this is how wide the infection control field is. But I will try to tell you what you have, for example, hand hygiene, how to wear a mask, how can you prevent hepatitis, how can you prevent TB, how about COVID-19 or coronavirus, which is the biggest problem nowadays. So this channel will not only be educational channel, but this will be a news channel also. So yeah, I will try to make sure that you are updated on the news about coronavirus, especially nowadays, how many countries are affected, what kind of trends are there, and what they are doing. So this will be an educational plus a news channel, you can say that. And I hope you will like all my videos. So if you want all those videos to watch and get benefit, I would request you to subscribe my channel. And there's a bell button next to the subscribe button. So if you click that also, you will get my notification of my videos whenever I upload a video. So rather than searching my videos or trying to find my videos, when you click the bell button, the videos will come to you automatically. So please do subscribe and press the bell icon, and share my videos with other people also who you think can get benefit. And so I pray to Allah that all of us are safe, especially now with coronavirus and any infectious disease. May Allah keep everybody healthy and safe, and take care of yourself and the people around you. And God bless you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.